Hello students, this is from Pharma College Hawassa campus, audio lecture series 1 on research methodology for third year nursing students, and this is presented by Amsaul Mariam, Department of Public Health. Today we will discuss about the first part of research methodology, which is the introductory part, and we'll discuss some points about the definition of research, the categories of research methodology, the approach we use for research, and characteristics, goals, and use of these research results. And finally, we'll write some points about critical points about research proposal. Let us begin. From the definition, it is a systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of a data to answer a certain questions or solve a problem, or alternatively, it can be defined as a serious, detailed study of a subject that's aimed at learning new facts, scientific laws, and testing ideas. And health research, as the name indicates, is a research effort to address health-related problems and come up with a solution to mitigate a prevailing problem. So, as commonly, research are made for two purposes. One, to extend the base of knowledge to understanding. The second one, and the most applicable one, is to solve a given problem. So, categories of research, functionally it can be divided into two. The first one is basic pure. The second one is that of applied research. Basic or pure research is designed to extend the base of knowledge and discipline for the sake of understanding itself. It is basic or pure research is knowledge-oriented type of research. The second one is applied research. It is problem-oriented and directed towards a solution of existing problems. So it is more applied research is more problem-oriented. And philosophically, it can be classified as empirical research and that of theoretical research. And health research mainly follow the empirical approach. It is because health research is based on observation and experience, more than that of theory and abstraction. So, health research always follows empirical approach. It's based upon observation and experience. And that of social science, social research are more follow theoretical research, so as they are more focused on theory and abstractions. The other thing is the approach of research qualitatively. The first one is qualitative, and the other one is quantitative type of research. Qualitative means it is type of formative research that offer specialized techniques for obtaining in-depth response about the people think and how they feel. It is more focused on the norms of society, on the emotional and contextual attachment of a certain society. More, it is not focused on numbers. It's more focused on attitude, beliefs, motives, and behaviors. It's more focused on the norms of the society. And the other one is quantitative. It involves the studies that make as statistical analysis to obtain their findings. It uses numbers. It uses statistics. The key feature includes formal and systematic measurement and the use of statistics. It deals with objective measurable behaviors and attitude. It is more measurable. It is quantitative. We use numbers in quantitative type of. It's more descriptive. It's in most cases health science research deals with the information of a quantitative in nature. It is health research more are quantitative in nature. And the other one is characteristics of research. It's directed toward the solution of a problem, and it is more problem-oriented. And the other one is based upon observable experiences and empirical evidence. As I told you earlier, it's empirical means it is based upon observation and experience. It's more focused. It is based, especially for health researches, it should be empirical. And the other one involves gathering of new data from primary, or you can use existing data for a new purpose. It involves collection of gathering of data and Finally, it requires expertise. Research is done by expertise, those who have knowledge about making research. The goals of scientific research, it's ultimately concerned with improving the health of people and their communities. The end result of every research is improving the way of life, especially to make the living of nature healthy, to make our living better by enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of the health system, and as an integral part of the overall process of socio-economic development with full involvement of all partners. The end result is making our life easier and healthier. Research can be used for the purpose of description, explanation, and exploration. The first one is description, discovering the distribution of a certain attribute about some populations, the magnitude of health problems. Description, in a sense, is more focused on magnitude of health problems. The researcher is concerned with not why, more it is concerned with the distribution and the magnitude of health problems. The other one is explanation. We can use research for explanatory purpose. Why variables are related. It answers a question with why. A simultaneous examination of two or more variables. A relationship between factors and disease outcomes. More efficiency of interventions. It is explanatory. It answers questions with why. It is not more focused on distribution or that of magnitude. And the other one is exploration. As the name indicates, it's more focused on exploring, searching device when you are just beginning of your inquiry into a particular topic. Example, you can focus group session to develop tools for the main research. Exploration, we can use the research for exploratory purpose, for searching, for acquiring other further information. So this table shows the major difference among explanatory, descriptive, and that of explanatory research. The purpose of we can see the purpose of exploratory is gain familiarity, insight of ideas, conduct new areas of research. It is exploratory. It's explore. It is for getting further new research, new ideas, to get new ideas. In the other half, descriptive research, it's describe characters of units and understudies simply for description purpose. And the other one is explanatory research, to test hypothesis and answer cause and effect questions. More is focused on explaining of results. And the other one is sample size. We take since it is exploratory, we take small sample size. In the case of descriptive, we use, since it's the aim of descriptive research is describing in magnitude wise, so we must use larger sample size. In explanatory, we can use medium to larger. And the representative, when you see the representativeness, exploratory research is made for exploration purpose, for getting new ideas, so that the representativeness is that much, so it have low representativeness. And when we see descriptive, it have, since its sample size is large, it have representativeness is high. In the other half, explanatory, we can it is so much that the representativeness is good. And finally, we see the research proposal. A research proposal is a document that presents a plan for a project to review for evaluation. It's a document that presents a plan for a project to review for evaluation and can be supervised project submitted as a part of education in degrees. So it is a document that is presented before the actual research the research project is made. So purpose of research proposal, to convince reviewers that the research is capable of successfully conducting the proposal research project, the proposed research project. So to provide a clear indication of the topic, a research is made to provide a clear indication of the topic in which the research is interested. So to give indication of the research ability to develop interesting research questions. So a research proposal reviewers have more confidence that planned project will be successfully completed. So if proposal is well written and organized, and if you demonstrate careful planning, if you do these 2 steps, your research proposal may have high capability of acceptance. So the proposal is similar to research report, but written before the research proposal project begins. It is written before the actual research project has begun. And describe research proposal, describe research problems and its importance. The importance of research proposal is briefly describe the research problems and its importance, and the other one is give detail of the methods that we will be used and why they are appropriate, and it must give a clear indication for why you use such a methods, and has plan for data collection analysis. All details must be put it as in a proposal, a research proposal, and it includes schedules of the steps to be undertaken and estimation of the time and the budget required to carry out each step of the research. And these are the components of research. The first title, it's the same as a research report. It's the same as a research report, but it lacks a result, and changes to be you can change to research proposal. It's naturally for ideas to evolve, but however you should avoid making a substantial change that to broad direction of your proposal. You can make a little bit modification of what change to your proposal, but it shouldn't be change the broad direction of your proposal. The proposal in your foundation of your working relationship with your supervisor, potential donors, and this cannot be radically altered. It shouldn't alter your relationship with funding members. So without discussion and this consultation of your supervisors, you can make a certain change to the proposal by discussing and consulting with your supervisors. This is all for today. I hope we will meet in another session. Thank you for attending.